At least 3 Kuki villagers of Thowai Kuki village in Ukhrul district have been reportedly killed in an encounter. According to reliable source, a heavy gunfire broke out at Thowai Kuki village in Manipur's Ukhrul district today. 3 villagers were reportedly killed in the incident. Sources said that the sounds of heavy gunfire were heard from Thowai Kuki village early this morning. 3 villagers were found missing after the battle. Sources informed that the lifeless bodies of the missing trio were recovered after a hectic search by CSOs and the surrounding villagers, and they were identified as Jangkhogin Haukip, 26 years, son of Dokholan Haukip; Thangkhokai Haukip, 35 years, son of Daulat Haukip; Holenson Baite, 24 years, son of Lunkothang Baite. However, the attackers are yet to be established now. A combined force has been rushed to the spot and search operation has been conducted. No one has been arrested in connections with the incident. Meanwhile, gunfight has also been reported at Kautruk in Imphal West this morning. According to report from the spot, suspected Kuki militants opened fire at the Kautruk village. The village defense volunteers also retaliated. No report of casualty till now. Gunfight has been stopped at the moment. On the other hand, suspected Kuki militants also opened fire at Phagaukchawikai, Mamanglekai in Bishnupur district. The village defense volunteers also reportedly retaliated. No report of casualties so far. Meanwhile, some village defense volunteers fly droned with the permissions of Kumawan Regiment. However, the drone camera has been seized by the Kumawan Regiment. A tussle between Kumawan Regiment and village defense volunteers was taken place. Talk is going on in connections with the incident. Our reporter is there. We will update soon.